chance to get to the top, but niggas ain't want me to pop. Continue to go when they say no, my niggas ain't want me to stop. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. I see the chance to get to the top, but niggas ain't want me to pop. Continue to go when they say no, my niggas ain't want me to stop. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. I see the chance to get to the top, but niggas ain't want me to pop. Continue to go when they say no, my niggas ain't want me to stop. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. See a nigga make it, nobody gave me shit, I had to take it. Can't lie now, being impatient. You know traffic is overweight. Ain't no competition with my bank. Fuck on state. Some of y'all gon' love this, some of y'all gon' hate. It don't even matter, the women are bad. The way the women in this make you mad. Niggas talking in the mouth that you have. Cancel the reason I'm making you fat. Who the fuck been making you fat? You think I'm making you rap? Ball, you don't wanna battle with word for word. You don't wanna slap my subject matter and rap cover. Niggas don't feel like cover. Cause this is no way for a minute. You're on my shit, stop playing niggas stamina. These niggas know I'm damage. These niggas know the damage. These niggas not understand it. I'm out the move on camera. I take a chance to get to the top, but niggas ain't want me to pop. Continue to go when they say no, my niggas ain't want me to stop. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. I see the chance to get to the top, but niggas ain't want me to pop. Continue to go when they say no, my niggas ain't want me to stop. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. I see the chance to get to the top, but niggas ain't want me to pop. Continue to go when they say no, my niggas ain't want me to stop. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream. Feel like I'm close, I'm ready to blow. Feel like I'm living my dream.
I mean, do I have to say it again, bro? Right. Predicted that shit. 7.3 Quake. Got my numbers all over 3 sevens that we get in the month. And even on the 7th of this month, like usual, 7, 11. On the 11th, we had some loud booms and a lot of solar activity. I talk about that in this video, and then also this part where he says you don't see this every day, where you get this red sunset. It's got the iron in it, the iron oxide, the rod of iron that absorbs a lot of this radiation. That's why it's red as well. That's why the Bible talks about this blood red moon and the sun and all that kind of, all these signs in the heavens. Dude, I told you. What did I say? It's gonna have a big boost, right? Early in the day, and then boom. Not only do you get this giant quake, right? But Kyrie goes off and sets off the 60, all kinds of records. He could have broke Kobe's record. He was ahead of Kobe. Like Kobe had 7 minutes left. You know my number again. And he only had 59 points. Kyrie had 60 points with 8 minutes left. He was on pace to do better. But he left out, and Kobe had a harder match, so he stayed in. I did a galactic magnetic reversal. The asteroid impact happened north of Iceland. Literally it's got this 2 thing as well, but also that's literally on the 11th. Remember I told you about the 11th, and there was a strong flare on the 11th. It was really like late 10th, but the 11th as well, it was like sunset. You know how sunset is really the next day though. And then we got these giant quakes. Wave crash. And then this is object he's seeing next to the sun now, that he wasn't seeing before. But he came out thin air, just kind of like a rod. But it might be just an effect of the sun. As I increase the power, the sun increases its effect. That's why they were having extreme UV. Like I told you how it clears the skies and all that. It was so annoying because it's a YouTube channel called Divine Truth that is like trying to act like they're the one who's actually clearing the skies. I even talked about it when I put this video up about me doing these kill streak and pretty much the top 1% of the game. Like I say that, you know, I'm increasing it. Basically a warning that new events are gonna probably happen and stuff. And then like she's noticing that there's these clear skies, basically that's what I want you to see. And it's annoying because she actually gets views for this, but I don't get thumbs up and all that kind of stuff. And I'm the one who's actually, you know, doing this stuff. You see, I don't, you know, see, she gets thumbs up, I don't get no thumbs, I don't really care. That's what it is. Well, basically all those days ended up clear, like maybe a little cloud. That's what she's trying to show. And I get a thumb down for telling the truth. After the skies are clear because of my Organite power, I created your lane vinegar doesn't change forecasts into the future. My power does. Because in UK skies, no, I actually reach all through the fucking planet, you goddamn nut. So how the fuck do you change in the future forecast? You fucking nut with some vinegar, some goddamn vinegar. When I have on my page predicting that I was gonna clear the fucking skies using and describing how it actually works to the fucking day, to the hour, predicting their invasion to Ukraine, the Tonga earthquake, the tsunami, this 7.3 earthquake. Jesus, reality. Like, and this fucking nobody is gonna literally try and piggyback on what I'm fucking doing and act like they're the one doing it. When they're fucking, they do nothing, they predict nothing. Who the fuck is this person? Like, this is the kind of shit they do, bro. Like, you say predicting to an hour, and there's the other one where I go deep into it. Wow, man. How long ago have I been predicting this? Like, already talking about knocking out the sky. Literally showing the thunderbolts that I hit him with. And this bitch talking about some apple cider vinegar. Change the future. It's comical. Comical. And it's just disrespectful. I just last year. And then, literally, I'll show you right here. That's the skies. You see the red ore, the Organite, that same blue blast you saw in the 7.3 earthquake. It's Organite energy, it's organic energy, it's my fucking power, bro. Straight up. And it's got the red and the blue aura and the sun. Like, you ever seen the sun red and blue? It only happens in my presence. Just like the fucking video where the sun's sending the light at, directly at. You can see the red and blue in my beard. You can see the golden, the rainbow reflection on the top right there. And the birds of heaven devouring the fucking remnants of my enemy that I've destroyed. Because I already showed you the birds attacking the 5G towers, even predicted and caused that shit. It's just disrespectful as some nobody gonna come out, act like they're doing something, bro. Like, oh yeah, let me show you the stone. That was a 7 stone. You can see the big blue aura when I had the stone next to me too, like and in the rainbow in the top right, you know. It's just disrespectful, bro. But I don't really care about nobodies like that bitch, bro. Like that thinks Trump is fighting some visible war and I can turn the sun red and blue depending on which side it's on me. Try stepping up your game with nobody. I do this shit, bro. And once again, predicted this shit to the fucking day. All this crazy stuff happening. What else do I have to fucking do? Like,
you have to watch this from the Fukushima airport as the quake is happening. You hear the rumbling in the background and back out.
On the 7th, there's more quakes.
Flash high over the ocean. This has been reported before during earthquakes, and there's again 7.3. See now, and then this flash may have occurred after those are watched in the center of the image, just slightly to the right, you're going to see a blue flash right there.
Organite.
I'll pause it and go back to it. Look at it.
It destroys radiation.
Just one more time.
Keep playing
Like
around,
I
y'all.
said, these flashes have been reported before. I haven't seen many caught.
You better give me my glory, that's all I'm saying,
It's
but
gonna
you don't want to see the
in
vials.
this area right here. Watch it offshore. Watch it. Right offshore. Wow, that's strong. Guys, we're watching it. I'm going to try to get some updates on this.
It's beyond strong. Strong doesn't even begin to comprehend how strong this is.